Inspiring people for climate action, reaching as many villages as possible, that was the goal. For this, Northeim County, Osterode am Harz County and Göttingen County started a first joint competition in 2012. Our Village Saves Electricity.
Die Energiewende muss dezentral stattfinden.
The energy revolution has to be a decentralized one. This means throughout the country, through the people in the villages. And with our competitions, we just gave the people a little sporty impulse. And then these people immediately got up and made these competitions into their own personal project. Before the start of the project, there was first the planning phase. County representatives, climate activists, the energy agency Göttingen and the local network operators developed the idea and the design and also formulated the participation conditions for the competition. Villages with 100 to 1,500 inhabitants could compete against each other. Who can save the most electrical power in a period of 6 months? In order to record the meter readings of the participants for the actual fieldwork, many honorary helpers were required. First, we addressed the mayors of the respective locations, who then each established a network of volunteers that helped in realizing the competitions. During the period of the competition, there were many information events and discourses on the topic of energy saving. If a participant was interested, the energy consultant would come home and give practical tips on how to save energy in the household. Exchanging old devices or changing consumption behavior, each of the participants could learn how to save energy. Whether in terms of lamps, fridges or heating. The competition was enthusiastically welcomed by the public and there was a strong demand for all that there was on offer. About 1,800 households from 32 villages took part and saved energy together. Finally, we've identified the greatest electricity consumer in our house. It's the fridge and the bulbs, and we're considering getting switchable plug connectors. The competition was a success for the participants and the environment. Around 200 tons of CO2 can be saved per year. There were prizes for all winners, and the 4 communities with the least consumption of electricity per head were given a photovoltaic system. Like here in Reifenhausen, where it's used as an electricity generator for the village community house. And since the competition had such a good response from everyone, there's now a second round. Because the first competition was so successful in saving electricity in the villages, that's why we have now initiated the second competition in which roofs should be used, and we hope to top the first competition and achieve even more in terms of climate action. The second competition is called Our Village Uses the Sun. The goal is to record as many unused roof spaces as possible and to make these accessible for solar thermics and photovoltaics. In order to do this, volunteers investigate in the areas and identify the potential surface areas. These are recorded in a map, and with the help of a solar roof cadastre, their economic efficiency is tested. 23 villages took part in this second competition. The winner will be the community with the highest number of newly installed solar systems. 2 competitions, 2 times local climate action through participation. The 3 involved counties, with their good ideas and great enthusiasm, were able to promote climate action and create a more sustainable rural area. This is what we want to achieve with this competition. We want to encourage as many people as possible to take part and promote the energy revolution in rural areas.